Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by collecting a proper sample so the strip reads accurately. Use 5 to 10 ml of water in a clean container and remove lids or aerators that could alter readings. Once done, open the test strip package and avoid touching the reagent pads. Oils from fingers skew colors. Make sure the chart and timer are visible. You will compare pads at specific times. This initial setup minimizes errors and sets you up for consistent, repeatable results. Dip the strip fully into the sample for exactly 1 second and withdraw at a steady angle to let excess drip off. Rapid splashes change concentrations. Once out, start your timer immediately because each pad needs a different read time. Some require 15 seconds, others 60. Compare each pad to the provided color chart under neutral light. Natural daylight is best, so colors aren't distorted. Record the parameter and value right away, so you don't forget the correct. After reading, interpret each value in context. Consider trends, not single readings, and treat borderline matches as ranges rather than exact numbers. If results contradict expectations, like an impossible pH or ammonia spike, retake the test with a fresh sample and a new strip, making sure hands and containers are clean. Also check storage. Expired or damp strips give false readings. One key troubleshooting tip: if colors smear or run, discard that strip and repeat with.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.